Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily set up your BlackWidow V3 Mini keyboard to streaming. So, at first choose the right connection. You have to put this switch, which is here, to the middle or to the 2.4 GHz connection mode. If it's wired, you have zero latency, and if you have 2.4 GHz mode, it avoids Bluetooth lagging. Avoid, of course, Bluetooth because it introduces lag and occasional input skips. Apart from that, set up macros in RAZER Synapse. Use macros or shortcuts for common streaming tasks. For example, the function key +1 start and stop stream, function key +2 mute mic, function key +3 switch scene, function key +4 play sound effect. Tweak lightning for vibes. For example, here I do have the slight blue color, purple blue color, and apart from that, reduce keyboard noise. Viewers hate clacky keys, so use O-rings, type softer, and use linear switches if possible. Sync your keyboard with streaming service, which is optional. If you use OBS Studio, like I do, or Streamlabs, combine the keyboard macros with OBS hotkeys and third-party tools like AutoHit or Touch Pull Talk to trigger multiplayer commands. Create your stream profile in Synapse with the markers assigned, lightning tuned and activated automatically before going live. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.